Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on this platform by completing simple tasks. Okay, so this platform is actually a freelance platform, but what you're going to be doing basically is to do some transcription jobs, to do some translations, and trust me, you're going to be making a whole lot of money by just doing that. Okay, this platform is actually worldwide. Okay, it doesn't restrict any country. Okay, so all you just have to do is come on the platform, sign up, and then start getting tasks, complete the tasks, and start making money for yourself. Okay, and one sweet thing about this platform is they pay weekly. Okay, so you can actually withdraw your money every week on this platform. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end while I walk you through the simple process of how you can get started and start making money for yourself. Okay, and if you're new on my channel, you're seeing my video for the first time, I would say you should hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on this channel, you get notified by YouTube, so you can watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, we are on our way to 1k subscriber, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can keep growing. Okay, so right here I'm just going to scroll down. Okay, so once you use the link I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video, you're going to be directed here. Okay, but this is not where you're going to sign up. Okay, if you sign up here, that means you're signing up as someone who wants to give the company a job. Okay, so what you want to do is just scroll down to the bottom of this website. Okay, so once you scroll down to the bottom, you can see this option right here showing join us as a transcriber. Okay, so once you click on this, that means you're joining as someone who wants to be taking the transcription jobs and then start making money. Okay, so right here, this is what the page for those who wants to sign up as transcribers, this is what the page is gonna look like. Okay, so right here you can see this is an introduction on how this website works. Okay, so let me cycle it and then read through it so you can see for yourself. Okay, they will pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs. Go Transcript is a thriving web-based transcription and translation company where we are always looking to fill our open freelancers transcription jobs so we can grow our team and keep pace with customer orders. If you're a skilled transcriptionist who takes pride in your work, you want to make a difference in the world, we want you to transcribe with us. Okay, so like I said earlier, it's actually a platform where you transcribe. Okay, so once you do that, okay, you can see right here, earn up to 0.60 per audio or video minute. Okay, so per audio or video minute you can be earning up to 0.60 cents. Okay, so that is actually as a beginner. So right here you can see average earning per month. Okay, average earning per month, you're gonna be earning up to $150 per month right here. Okay, that is as a beginner. Okay, so here you can see top monthly earnings, that for those who are very good in this already, they earn up to $1,215 monthly. Okay, so right there you can see. So once you get to this page and you want to sign up, what you want to do is just click on apply now. Okay, so once you click on apply now, it's just going to take you to the sign up page and you're just going to put in your details, and then your sign up process will be complete. Okay, but before we go through that process, I want us to read more about this platform so you can have more ideas about how the platform works. Okay, so right here you can see, please note, buying and selling a Go Transcript account is illegal. Okay, so right here you can see, if you buy an account you will lose money because we have implemented safeguards to prevent illegal account purchases. Okay, so right here you can see SMS verification. We will send you an SMS with a code you will need to enter if you verify that it is your phone. Please note that SMS delivery can take a minute or more. Okay, so here you can see face photo during registration. Okay, while you're doing the registration, they're gonna ask for a photo of your face. Okay, so that is to scare scammers away from this website. Okay, so guys, you just gonna sign in as the real you, so you're not gonna have any problem from or on this website. Okay, so here you can see real-time photo with verification code written on paper. Okay, they have some rules you just have to abide in if you don't want to get kicked out of this website. Okay, so you can just take your time and then come on the website and read more about it. Okay, so right here I'm just going to skip all this and then click on apply now. Okay, so once you click on apply now, it's going to load and then direct you to a page where you're going to select the language you're applying for. Okay, so right here I'm going to select English. Okay, so once I select English, you can see it's loading. Okay, so they're gonna ask you some few questions. So once you just pass through this process, trust me, your application process is done. Okay, so right here you're just gonna make sure you read these guidelines. Okay, you need to read, you just need to click on this option right here. Okay, so once you click on it, it's gonna open, and then you see the answers to all these questions are right there. Okay, so and trust me guys, you need to get 100% score on these questions. You don't need to make any mistake. Okay, so that is why you really need to go here and then read through it. Okay, so once you read through everything here and then you scroll down, read all this, and then put in the right answer. Okay, so once you put in the right answer, they're gonna just accept your application. Okay, so guys, make sure you try this website out. Okay, it's actually a real website. Okay, so let me give you a real proof that this website actually. Okay guys, so the name of this website we've been talking about is 𝐑𝐄_Transcript. Okay, so I'm just going to type in 𝐑𝐄_Transcript. Okay, so I'm just going to type in the name right here. Okay, right here you can see it has over 700 reviews and 4.5-star rating. Okay, so let me click on it and then you see what people have been saying about this website. Okay, so you can see it is loading, and right here we have reviews of people. Okay, so I'm not gonna take much time. Okay, I will just check on the 5-star ratings. I'm not gonna be reading through all this. Okay, because if they have a bad review, they surely gonna drop a red star. Okay, so right here you can see this is another 5-star. Okay, let me just read this. I generally enjoy the work as a contractor at 𝐑𝐄_Transcript. I recommend giving it a shot if you have an interest in transcription and need extra income, or as a customer, okay, who needs something transcribed. Okay, so right here is actually recommending the website for someone who wants to go into transcription job or who needs something to be transcribed. Okay, so to tell you that this website is actually legit and a lot of people have been making money. This is another 5-star rating right here. This is another 5-star rating. This is another 5-star rating. Okay, there are lots of them. Okay, yeah, right here it is 3-star ratings. Okay, this one here gave 5-star rating, this one here again 5-star rating. So you can just take your time, come on this website, type in the name, and then watch or read through more reviews to know if this actually what you can spend your time to work on. Okay, but trust me guys, this website have been paying and it is still paying till date. Okay, so guys, if you find value in this video, make sure you hit that like button. Okay, hit that like button and go on the comment section below, comment make money online. Okay, and if you're new on my channel, you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos like this on the channel, you get notified by YouTube, so you can just watch and start making money for yourself. Okay guys, I'm gonna be ending this video here and I will see you in my next video.